Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable notifications for Trust Wallet. Now let us begin. Initially, as you guys can see, I have already installed the application and added my wallet. In case you have not done that, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to enable the notifications. At the top left, you will see a button like this, that is Settings. Click on it right now. Once you do, this page will open up, that is Settings. Well, as you can see, lots and lots of options. But right now, all we want to do is focus on this thing right here called as notifications. Click on it. And guys, that is it. All you have to do is toggle on this button right here that says allow push notifications. Once you do that, you will be able to receive notifications from Trust Wallet. Do note that you have the option to simply enable or disable the product announcement notifications. And guys, that is it. That's how we enable notifications for Trust Wallet. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.